In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Florida in 2026, step by step. If you've been thinking about starting a business in Florida, one of the first things you'll probably come across is the idea of forming an LLC. It's one of the most popular business structures for entrepreneurs because it's relatively simple to set up and it offers some important protections for business owners. At the same time, if you've never gone through the process before, it can feel a little confusing at first. A lot of people start researching and immediately run into questions like how much it costs to register an LLC, what paperwork is required, whether you need a registered agent, and how long the entire process actually takes. The good news is that once you understand the steps involved, forming an LLC in Florida is actually much easier than most people expect. So in this guide, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of starting an LLC in Florida, from choosing your business name all the way to opening a business bank account and getting your company ready to operate. And if you'd rather have someone guide you through the process and handle the paperwork for you, I'll also explain why many entrepreneurs choose to use Northwest Registered Agent to get their LLC set up quickly and correctly. If you want to check them out later, I do have a discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description and pinned comment below the video. Before we get into the actual steps though, it helps to understand why so many businesses choose the LLC structure in the first place. An LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company, is one of the most common business structures used by small businesses in the United States. One of the biggest reasons entrepreneurs choose an LLC is because it provides a level of personal liability protection. When someone runs a business without forming an LLC, they're typically operating as a sole proprietor by default. In that situation, the business and the owner are legally considered the same entity. What this means is that if the business runs into legal trouble or financial problems, the owner's personal assets could potentially be at risk. When you form an LLC, the business becomes its own legal entity. This creates a separation between the business and the individual who owns it. Because of that separation, the owner's personal assets are generally protected if the business runs into certain types of legal or financial issues. Another advantage of an LLC is that it can make your business appear more professional. Clients, suppliers, and financial institutions often take businesses more seriously when they're registered as official companies rather than simply operating under an individual's name. Forming an LLC can also make it easier to open a business bank account, sign contracts, and manage business finances. Because of these benefits, many entrepreneurs choose to form an LLC early in the life of their business. Now that we understand why people choose LLCs, let's walk through the actual process of forming one in Florida. The first step when starting an LLC in Florida is choosing a name for your business. Your LLC name must be unique and distinguishable from other businesses registered in the state of Florida. The name also needs to include an LLC designator such as LLC or Limited Liability Company. Before submitting your formation paperwork, it's important to check whether the name you want is available. Florida provides an online business name search tool through the Division of Corporations website that allows you to see whether another company has already registered a similar name. Taking a few minutes to verify name availability can help prevent delays later in the process. If the name you submit is too similar to an existing business, the state may reject your filing and you would need to submit a new application with a different name. Once you confirm that your desired business name is available, you're ready to move on to the next step. Every LLC in Florida is required to have what is called a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company responsible for receiving official legal documents and government notices on behalf of your business. These documents might include things like legal correspondence, lawsuit notifications, or compliance reminders from the state. Your registered agent must have a physical address located in Florida and must be available during normal business hours to receive documents. Technically, you can act as your own registered agent if you live in Florida and have a physical address in the state. However, many business owners prefer using a professional registered agent service instead. There are a few reasons for this. One reason is privacy. When you form an LLC, certain information becomes part of the public record. Using a registered agent service can help keep your personal address off public databases. Another reason is reliability. A professional registered agent service ensures that important legal documents are received and handled properly. This is one reason many entrepreneurs use Northwest Registered Agent. They provide registered agent services and also guide you through the LLC formation process step by step, which can make things much easier if this is your first time starting a business. If you want to check them out later, remember I do have a discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description and pinned comment below the video. Once you have chosen your registered agent, the next step is filing the document that officially creates your LLC. To officially create your LLC in Florida, you'll need to file a document called the Articles of Organization. This document is submitted to the Florida Division of Corporations and includes basic information about your business, such as your LLC name, your registered agent's information, and the address associated with the business. The filing fee for forming an LLC in Florida is currently $125. Most entrepreneurs choose to file the Articles of Organization online through the Florida Division of Corporations website. Filing online is usually the fastest way to complete the process and receive approval. Once the state reviews and approves your filing, filing, your LLC will be officially registered. After your LLC has been formed, the next step is creating an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a document that outlines how the LLC will operate and how decisions will be made within the business. This document typically explains things such as ownership structure, how profits are distributed, and how major decisions will be handled. Florida does not require you to file an operating agreement with the state, but having one is strongly recommended. An operating agreement helps reinforce the separation between you and your business and provides a clear framework for how the company will operate moving forward. Even if you're the only owner of the LLC, creating an operating agreement can still be beneficial because it documents how the company is structured. Once your LLC is officially registered, the next step is obtaining an EIN. An EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number, is issued by the IRS and functions as a tax identification number for your business. You'll typically need an EIN if you want to open a business bank account, hire employees, or file certain tax forms. Applying for an EIN is completely free, and it can usually be done online through the IRS website. Many entrepreneurs are able to obtain their EIN within a few minutes after submitting the application. After receiving your EIN, the next step is opening a business bank account for your LLC. Separating your business finances from your personal finances is extremely important for maintaining the legal protection provided by your LLC. A dedicated business account also makes it much easier to track income, manage expenses, and maintain accurate financial records. When opening a business bank account, most banks will ask for your LLC formation documents and your EIN. Once your business bank account is active, your company will be fully set up from a financial standpoint. Now, technically, you can go through all these steps yourself by navigating the Florida government websites and submitting the required paperwork. However, many entrepreneurs choose to use an LLC formation service because it simplifies the entire process. One service that many business owners prefer is Northwest Registered Agent. Instead of trying to interpret government forms and legal requirements on your own, their platform guides you through the entire setup process step by step. You simply provide the information about your business, and they prepare and submit the formation documents to the state on your behalf. They also provide registered agent services, which means they handle official legal mail and government notices for your business. Another feature many entrepreneurs appreciate is privacy protection. Northwest allows you to use their business address on formation documents, which helps keep your personal address off public records. Their support team also specializes in business formation, so if you ever have questions about starting your LLC or maintaining compliance with the state requirements, you can speak with someone who understands the process. Because of that, many entrepreneurs find it to be one of the easiest ways to get their Florida LLC set up properly. And again, if you want to check them out, I do have a discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description and pinned comment below the video. Starting an LLC in Florida might seem complicated at first, but once you break the process down step by step, it becomes much easier to understand. In most cases, forming an LLC simply involves choosing a business name, appointing a legal registered agent, filing the articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, obtaining an EIN, and opening a business bank account. Once those steps are completed, your LLC will be officially registered and ready to operate. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up so more entrepreneurs can find it. And if you want more tutorials on starting a business, forming an LLC, and growing a successful company, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical guides like this. If you have any questions about starting an LLC in Florida, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I read every comment and I'm always happy to help. And if you're ready to start your Florida LLC and want a simple way to do it, you can check out Northwest Registered Agent using the discount link in the description and pinned comment below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.